Welcome back to our Cryengine tutorial video set. In this video, I'm going to talk about the director node. So you can see here, I have a little scene set up, and I have 3 cameras placed on the map. So I want to create a scene where the viewpoint switches between these 3 cameras. And the easiest way to do that is the director node. So what I'm going to do is with my track view open, you can see I've already created a sequence here. And there's 2 ways to add a director node to this sequence. Number 1, I can right click, and then one of my options here is add director/scene node. The other way to do it is if I select my scene, my sequence, and I go up here to this button, there's add director node as well. And either one of those will do the same thing for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and I'll add a director node. And you can see it's added this extra track for me. And in this extra track, I can double click anywhere to place a node, which represents a camera swap. I'm going to go ahead and place a node at 1. And if I right click on this node, I can edit it. And it brings up the properties. And under the properties, I can change which camera will be swapped to at that given point in time. So I'll choose camera 2 for starters. I'm going to go ahead and place another node at 4 seconds. And I'll edit this one. And let's say I want to switch to camera 4 at this point. And likewise, if I add a node at 7 seconds, I can switch to camera 3. So I've covered all 3 cameras. And when I press Ctrl G and this sequence plays, because I have auto start selected, it will just automatically start going through this scene and swapping cameras. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm going to press Ctrl G here. All right, so I press Ctrl G and you can see it swapped to camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. Super easy, very intuitive. It's an easy way to place a lot of cameras and get all of your switching done. In some scenes you want to have, like 30, 40 cameras or something, tons of different angles. And so it's really easy to time it out by placing these nodes and getting everything right. I think that's all I want to talk about. So with that, I'll close.